How to clear host cache in Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Here, at the search bar in the top, simply type in as shown on the screen, which is chrome.net//netinternals and #DNS. Make sure you type in as shown on the screen and press on enter, which will lead you to this page. Here, click on Clear Host Cache. After you've clicked on Clear Host Cache, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, on the left side, scroll down and you will find About Chrome. After you find About Chrome, click on it and make sure your Chrome is updated to the latest version, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to clear host cache in Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.